Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore PlayStation 5 using safe mode troubleshooting, full guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your PlayStation 5 using safe mode, first ensure your console is completely powered off. If it is not responding, hold down the power button for 10 seconds until you hear a second beep. Once your console is off, disconnect the power cord from the wall outlet for at least 30 seconds. After waiting, reconnect the power cord to the wall outlet. Now, press and hold the power button again. You must keep holding it until you hear a second beep, which should occur after about 7 seconds. At this point, release the power button. Connect your DualSense controller to the console using a USB cable. Next, press the PS button on the controller to pair it with the console. Your screen should now display the Safe Mode menu. In Safe Mode, you will see several options to troubleshoot your console. If you want to restore your PS5, navigate to the option that says Reset PS5. This option will erase all user data and reset the console to factory settings. Before proceeding, be sure to back up any important saved data if possible. If you're ready, select Reset PS5 and confirm your choice. The console will now begin the reset process and may take some time to complete. Once the process is finished, your PlayStation 5 will restart automatically. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your console as new. This completes the restoration process using Safe Mode. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.